Sharma and Virat Kohli in England series, in Test series? And do you think that Rohit Sharma should continue as a captain as well?
No. I just said that in my earlier chat. Okay, you got to leave Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma to take their own decision, and whenever they want to, they should do that. You see,
Captain.
it's not that we are not we don't we should not forget the great performances which they have done for the country, which they have won great matches for the country, for the Indian team, right? So on those basis, it's the bad form they're going through, no doubt about it. But we must accept that there are some good times and the bad times for one and all. So you got to wait until they call it a day. When they're going to call it a day, when Rohit is going to step down from the captaincy, it's their decision and it's their prerogative to call it a day whenever they feel like. So let us not be in a hurry. Okay, let us not be in a hurry. They would be a great source of inspiration to the youngsters of today, a great motivation to the youngsters. The youngsters need senior cricketers to motivate them, to inspire them. They are the role models of today. So please do not go about publicizing, अरे भाई बहुत खेल दिए रिटायर हो जाओ दूसरों को चांस दो नहीं. No, it should not happen like that. Leave the decision to them.
Sir, taking a cue from your answer, this side, sir, this side. The Champions Trophy is knocking at the knocking at the door, and entire new Indian team is going to place almost new Indian team. Now, according to you, who will be the future star of Indian cricket?
You see, there are a good lot of youngsters who are into the A team as well, under 19, and the current Indian team as well. You see, they are capable of being good captain, and a good captain is only seen in the long run, not one match. And if by his luck, if he wins a test match or an ODI, it doesn't mean that he is the best captain. It'll take a long time. Like for instance, Dhoni, when he was made the captain of the Indian team, until he won the 2011 World Cup, right? Until then, you see, he was not called a great captain. Okay? So it'll take a time. The captain will take time with experience and consistency when he leads from the front like what Dhoni did. Right.
Is in the fray for Champions Trophy. So if you have to select two of them, who do you select out of 4-5 wicket keepers?
Well, there are quite a few competitors in the wicket-keeping slot. The first one will be obviously Rishabh Pant. Then you have Sanju Samson there. You have KL Rahul. You have Ishan Kishan, who's taken a back seat now at the moment. So there is a huge competition. Whoever performs with consistency at the right time will be selected.